This year, we are growing our hair to waist length. And what do we need? Protective styling. So which protective styling are we diving into today? Mini braids. And listen, mini braids are very easy to do. I grew up doing braids on my hair, so it has always been something that I can always do. But wait, if you do not know how to do mini braids, this is a mini tutorial showing you how to do mini braids as we talk and as we also talk about the benefits of doing mini braids to your hair. So step 1, you have to look at your index finger and your thumb. Those are one of the 2 crucial fingers that are going to be helping you when you're doing mini braids, okay? Also look at the hand placement. It is very different when doing each and every side of your hair, the front, the back, and the sides, okay? For the back, this is the easiest way for me to do my hair, as you can see how I've placed my hands. And also now look at the finger movements, okay? You are going to be holding your hair with your thumb and your index finger and probably your middle finger, but each and every turn you can see that you are placing your hair on top of the middle finger, on top of your index finger, okay? Always as you are doing your braiding, remember, always on top of your index finger. That is where your hair goes, okay? Always on top, on top, on top. Okay, it is as simple as that, and I'm going to be showing you a few more rounds of me doing my hair at the back, doing on my left side and also doing on my right side. Okay, and it is as easy as that. And I hope this video is going to be showing you the hand movement, so I do not have to explain a lot of it because I actually do not know how to explain it. So the next thing we are going to be learning are the benefits of doing a protective styling. So here are the advantages. Number 1, length retention. When you're putting in your protective styling, you know your hair is going to be staying in for a while like this, for around 2 weeks or more. You know, it depends on how much you want your hair to be braided. So this one is reducing manipulation for your hair, and it's keeping your ends tucked away. So this one reduces breakage. Remember, if we want our hair to grow up to waist length, we need to reduce the amount of breaking that we are doing to our hair. And yes, I preferred to do my hair when it was pre-stretched because it is easier to manage. I wanted clean parts because I want my braids to stay in longer than usual, maybe for a few weeks before I undo them. So yeah, in between I am also going to be showing you how we are going to be moisturizing our hair. And remember, when you get to the end, add a little moisturizer and coil the ends. You're going to be seeing me doing that at the end of the video. Okay, number 2, we have moisture retention. When you're putting your hair in protective styling, they help lock in the moisture. They prevent dryness and brittleness, okay? So these are common concerns of hair. When your hair is dry and brittle, it is prone to breakage. So we have to reduce that. Remember, waist length is the goal. Okay, and then you already said reducing manipulation. If you do not style your hair daily, it does not break as fast as you will be as if you are oh my goodness, I'm confused. Okay, when you do not style your hair daily, it will not be prone to breakage. Okay, another thing is versatility. There are different ways to style your protective styling. You can do mini braids, you can do twists, you can do waves, you can do wigs, like you can put in beads. I'm going to be showing you how to be putting in beads on your protective styling. We are going to be doing all that because at the end of the day, you know what the goal is. And another thing I love about my my mini braids, they are low maintenance. Once I put them on, all I have to do is moisturize, and it's so easy to moisturize your hair in braids than when it is not done, than when it is free. Okay, but always remember, let your hair breathe in between styles, because I don't know if you guys have sensitive scalps, because my scalp to get a little bit painful if I overdo with the manipulation. Okay, yeah. And the most important thing about doing protective styling, it promotes hair growth. I mean, who doesn't want long hair? You're out here saying you want to grow your hair, but you're out here doing knotless braids. No, any style that is tightening up your edges, that is stretching your edges, that is not a protective styling. Be mindful when you're doing protective styling. And yo, if you do not know how to braid, I know it can take a while to get the hang of it, but here, stick in there. And that is all for today. I am going to be leaving you with that, and I am going to be leaving you to enjoy the rest of the video. And be sure to subscribe and share more tips. And yeah, let us grow our hair all together. I am going to be showing you the progress of my hair. And yeah, so the next video will be us moisturizing these mini braids, okay? And I know when doing your own hair, it can be so hard to part your hair, so take your time. Take your time, okay? Take your time. And you know, Rome was not born in a day, so take your time to practice. You can practice on your hair, you can practice on your left one, but I feel like mini braids are so easy. So the next time we are going to be learning how to do twists and the benefits of doing twists in our hair. So we're also going to be seeing how long these mini braids are going to last. We're also going to see how much growth we have had in these mini braids, or if we damaged our hair and we actually broke our hair. I'll be disappointed. But that is all for today. I've been your girl, Art and B2B. See you in the next one.